Using os.walk to recursively traverse directories in Python. I want to navigate from the root directory to all other directories within and print the same. Here's my code. And here's my OP. Above, .and ./packagedemo are directories. However, I need to print the OP in the following manner. Above, A and B are directories and the rest are files.
This will give you the desired result.
Recursive walk through a directory where you get all files from alders in the current directory and you get alders from the current directory, because codes above don't have a simplicity, imho.
Try this. You will get this.
There are more suitable functions for this in os package. But if you have to use os.walk, here is what I come up with. Output.
If you want to do more, please consider subscribing.